brightness. Ooh, it's chilly out this morning. Maybe I should have put on a sweatshirt. Yogi Clan, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I'm your host, Yogi, and today we're going to talk about Yogi stuff. This morning, update on current events, what's going on, lots of exciting things. Some of which I'll be bringing to you. So, as you see, look, I got a new cut. I am rocking what they call slick back. Slick back? Why? Why do they call it that? Because it's slick. There's nothing on it. No patches. No patches anywhere on this cut. Yes, this is a brand new cut from First Motorcycle. I kind of like it. They call it, I think they call it the Bandit, maybe? I don't know, but it's pretty nice. I did not buy it directly from First. I found a website which had the same thing for like 30 bucks. Legendary Products, maybe it is. I bought it there. It's like 30 bucks cheaper. Sorry if I'm getting a little wind. I gotta have my windshield cracked because it's fogging. It's 60 out. Maybe I should have put on a sweatshirt, but oh well. It's supposed to be like 80 something today. Beautiful day. And we are going out and we're going to support a ride for East Coast Cruisers. They got a poker run raising money for autism and autism awareness. So we're going to go to Iron Saturday and then we're going to go support. Whoa! Crap. Holy crap. Freaking buzzards. Almost took out I don't know who almost took who out. Me taking out the buzzards or the buzzards taking out me. That was close. That'll wake you up when you're half a mile from home. So, where was I before the buzzards attacked? Slick back. Yes, I am slick back. All of my patches are going down to Mother Charter tomorrow. All of my full patch gear. I cleaned out my closet. Full patch gear, support gear, all my gear. All clean. Man, my closet feels empty. And it filled up 2 trash bags. It's like I was cleaning out, taking everything to Goodwill. But there was a full patch brother from Pennsylvania in the area yesterday. He is a truck driver. So I met up with him, gave him everything. I gave it all. It's one thing about club life is after you lay down, you're not allowed to wear that full patch anymore. So anything with that full patch emblem on it, that's technically club property. So I gave it to a brother and sent it up to Pennsylvania with him so he could disperse it throughout the guys in Pennsylvania. There's a lot of history that went with that. Like my first ever knuckle run in 2013, the t-shirt from that run. From that t-shirt on up to today. I did not give away any of my Orphan Run t-shirts even though they say Disciple on them. Because the Orphan Run's my history, so I kept all my Orphan Run shirts, and they don't have any full patch emblems on them, so we're good there. But yeah, so that said, much of my brothers and prospects in Dogwood are doing the same similar thing right now, and we are still, man, we're still getting after it. We're still doing what we do across the state, still going out and supporting. Still living the mission statement of discipling men daily in word and prayer, the supporting the 1% world. Nothing has changed other than we don't have a patch on our back anymore. I need to get some gas. I'll be right back. So yeah, we have a Carolina squat. God, that's so stupid. So we have a private, I think it's private. It might be public. Maybe it's public. Look up Friends of Dogwood on YouTube, not YouTube, on Facebook. If you're a Facebook person, you can look up Friends of Dogwood. That is our, I think it's public. Yeah, it has to be public because people find it and like it. It's a public page, but you've got to be added to the group to see the posts. So it's publicly private. I think. I don't know. Anyways, on that page is what we're using currently for our events. So on there, I have put Iron Saturdays out there for like the next month and a half. So, and that is an open event to anybody. Anybody is welcome to come to Iron Saturday. And I have scheduled those out for like the next month and a half. Also, put on there the Orphan Run for 2022. It will be April 2nd, 2022. We're going to do it again, club or no club. And yeah, I'm really excited because, you know, the brothers and the prospects, we're still bonded. We're still doing what we're doing. And we're still marching forward. We're still going to, you don't need the patch. You don't need the patch to do what you're doing. And, you know, the patch, sure, it may open the door, but when relationships are built, you don't need a patch, man. The relationships are built. The relationships are there. So Dogwood will continue to be Dogwood, and there are literally hundreds of people who reached out to me, many of them based upon that video I put out of I laid my patch down and just said, hey Yogi, I'm praying for you. You know, I know that this can be a really difficult time, and between the text messages, the phone calls, the Marco Polos, the emails, the comments from subscribers, and just general people on that video, I want to let you know it's all good, y'all. It's all good. My head is in a good place right now. My heart is in a good place right now. And I think the same goes for my brothers too. None of us are, you know, no regrets. Sure, am I going to miss a lot of the guys like the full patch I saw yesterday, who I gave all my gear to? Yeah, I'm going to miss that guy. I'm going to miss seeing him. There are, you know, things that I used to participate in, be it conference calls or video calls or whatever. Sure, I'm gonna miss that. I really am. There are people already I'm missing just because I don't see their faces, you know. But that doesn't mean I can't give them a call. Doesn't mean I can't give them, you know, it's a two-way street, y'all, you know. But we're okay. We're okay. I just want to relay that to you. We are doing well. Couldn't be better. More to come on that as things develop and as things change and as things morph. We'll bring you more. But just know, we're meeting for Iron Saturday, and we're going to continue to meet for Iron Saturday, and we're going to continue to do the Orphan Run, like I said in that last video. And it's happening. You know, that wasn't just talk. That was, this is going to happen. So, what's coming up wrenching-wise? I got new brakes for Big Bertha here. Got new brakes. We're going to put new brakes all around on it. My trip to DC is coming up here soon, so I want to put the brakes on before that. I got shocks. I got some progressive shocks, and I think we're going to do that, yeah. We're going to have fun with that video, I'll put it that way. It's going to be a different style wrenching video. I hope you find my humor in it when I put it together. If you're an avid YouTuber who likes watching motorcycle videos, you'll probably enjoy it. I wish I could tell you more about it. I don't want to spoil it because it's going to be fun. Going to be putting some progressive front shocks on Miss Piggy. Going to be pulling the primary off again and replacing those stupid James gaskets on Miss Piggy with stock Harley gaskets. We're going to be doing that. And whatever customer bikes potentially roll into the shop. I got a lot of stuff going on at home. Miss Yogi took the Joe Biden stimulus check and went and bought some new flooring. So I have 1,800 square feet of flooring, hardwood floors, to put down into my house, which means I need to rip out some of the existing carpet, probably about 1,600 square feet of hardwood flooring I need to rip out and replace with the 1,800 square feet. So my weekends and evenings here very soon, I'm gonna have to put the pause on fixing some bikes because we're gonna be putting some hardwood floors down. If there are any subscribers who are hardwood floor installers that live in the greater Charlotte area that feel like doing a charity cause, here you go. They quoted me $9 grand to install it. What? No, I'll do it myself. So that's what's going on in the Yogi household. We had one kid at prom last night, one kid at prom tonight, one kid coming home with her soon-to-be fiance to introduce him to us next weekend, and then her graduation from college the weekend after, And then 2 weeks after that, more graduations going on. The 2 kids who went to prom. And then a wedding in the fall, and a wedding sometime in June, I think. I don't know. You know that video that I put out at the beginning of the year of, hey, this is Yogi's 2021 ride plans. Psh, out the door that went. Dang, y'all. Between 1,800 square feet of floor, graduations, proms, weddings, I'm not going to have 2 nickels to rub together. Thank goodness this bike and these cameras are paid for. They can't repo those, so I can still bring you content of what they can repo. No, I'm just kidding. There you go, Yogi Clan. So I'm going to go drink some coffee at Starbucks. Then I'm going to go support a ride for East Coast Cruisers with autism. Well, they don't have autism. East Coast Cruisers for autism awareness. Yeah, man, life is good, y'all. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Spring is here, and I hope you're getting some miles and smiles. Love you guys. Appreciate you joining. I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, y'all. Peace.